El-Rufai's family slams Icpc, says no wiretapping equipment found in Abuja home. The family of former Kaduna State Governor Nasir El-Rufai has threatened legal action against the Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences Commission (ICPC) over what he described as defamatory statements, while firmly denying that any sophisticated surveillance equipment or sensitive security documents were recovered from his Abuja residence. In a statement issued on Monday, Mohammed El-Rufai, who represents Kaduna North Federal Constituency in the House of Representatives, faulted the Commission's claim and accused it of waging a media war rather than adhere to the rule of law. The rebuttal followed affidavits reportedly filed by the ICPC before the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. According to the Commission, operatives allegedly recovered electronic magnetic equipment capable of tapping conversations and sensitive security documents capable of compromising national security. All of these things in El-Rufai's house. During a search conducted in the presence of El-Rufai's wife, Hadiza Isma El-Rufai, and son Mohammed Bello El-Rufai. The ICPC was quoted as saying the applicant El-Rufai on national television, Arise Television, admitted to tapping telephone conversations of the National Security Advisor, Malam Nuhu Ribadu, and now they can now see equipment for doing that in his house. Problem for El-Rufai. During the search operations, the Commission retrieved electronic magnetic equipment allegedly capable of tapping conversations. Wow. He was asked to give consent to enable the Commission to access the equipment, but he refused. A copy of the consent form is attached and marked Exhibit ICPC 5. The search also retrieved sensitive security documents of various security agencies of the government. The applicant is also allegedly threatening likely prosecution witnesses, and one such witness has written to the Commission seeking protection. A copy of the letter is attached and marked Exhibit ICPC 6. Responding, the lawmaker said the family viewed the allegations with a mixture of contempt and amusement, as how, insisting that no specialized equipment was discovered during the operation. On the issue of alleged non-cooperation, the statement defended El-Rufai's decision to remain silent during interactions with investigators, describing it as a constitutional right. Yes, he has the right to remain silent. The Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria guarantees every citizen the right to remain silent. Yes, this is not an act of non-cooperation. It is a fundamental human right. The statement read. Quoting the former governor, the family added, "Charge me if you have anything against me. You've had more than 2 years to investigate me. Take me to court, please, okay?" The statement also disputed the list of items allegedly recovered by the ICPC, maintaining that only old, discarded personal mobile phones, storage devices like flash drives and laptops were taken from the property. We were present when these items were seized. No equipment other than old phones, old discarded personal mobile phones, storage devices like flash drives and laptops, which are standard possession of any 21st century citizens, were seized from the property, the statement said. Okay now. The family further alleged that the search warrant used for the operation was defective and had been challenged in court. Our lawyers have challenged these illegitimate warrants in court of competent jurisdiction. The statement was said alleging that the warrant was fraudulently procured. It added that the family had instructed its legal team to pursue all available remedies, including seeking redress in court over what it described as an illegal search and defamatory statement by the Commission. Earlier, the Federal High Court sitting in Maitama, Abuja, refused to entertain El-Rufai's bail application, describing it as premature. Justice Joyce Obehi Abdulmalik adjourned the matter until April 23, 2026 for proper arraignment. A lawyer who witnessed the proceedings told Sahara reporters that the court declined to allow El-Rufai's counsel to move the bail application. On the El-Rufai's case, the court denied his counsel the right to move for his bail application just now. He stated the bail application is immature and he adjourned the case to 23rd of April 2026 to arraign El-Rufai properly before the court, the lawyer said. El-Rufai was absent from court as he remained in ICPC custody. No be small thing for El-Rufai. God will not allow us to say the one that will globalize us. Some chieftains of the African Democratic Congress, ADC, including Bolaji Abdullahi, were present in court to observe proceedings. The former governor had earlier filed a ₦1 billion fundamental rights enforcement suit against the Icpc. The Chief Magistrate of the FCT Magistrate Court, the Inspector General of Police, and the Attorney General of the Federation, alleging an unlawful invasion of his Abuja residence. The suit, marked FAC/ABJ/CS/345/2026 and filed on February 20, 2026, followed a February 19 operation in which Icpc operatives, accompanied by police officers, allegedly stormed his residence at House 12 Mambila Street, Aso Drive, Abuja, based on what his legal team described as a defective search warrant. His counsel, Oluwole Iyamo, SAN, argued that the warrant lacked specificity and contained material errors, rendering it invalid. Elrufai's camp has also raised concern over his treatment in custody. Adekeye previously alleged that the former governor suffered a nosebleed while detained and was denied direct access to meals brought by family members. No be small shege, Elrufai dey say right now, cause what? It is well with him, it is well with him. Awa Saidu says, let them present the pictures of wiretapping gadgets to media for Nigerians to see, abi? But their papa talk saying they tap NSA phone, call who we go believe. Vicky says, for the past days, since ADC has forgotten this man, their focus has been on Amechi. How many days locked up now? I'm telling you. Rufus says, the hand of karma at work. Nathan B says, when politics is playing, you will definitely hear the music. It may not be easy to understand it though. Paul Daniel says, confession is an admission of youth. No need to go searching for any exhibit. Benny Daniel says, make una know they confuse us with English. Which one is wiretapping? Ringing machine is now called wiretapping. Jamil says, we all know it is planted. How did they plant it with his family living in the house? That means they are not vigilant enough. Bashir Usman says, already said by himself, he cloned the calls of the NSA. Hannah says, the other government does it all the time. His family probably don't know how those equipment looks like. Perhaps those are not the exact ones allegedly used. It is that. Hedin said they will deny vehemently at the beginning. After they will be begging for please, bargain. Don't mind. But he said he has it now. Exactly. He said it earlier. Prince Adebarale says, who are we going to believe now? I don't know. Abubakar Gaga says, most of these agencies don't know the law very well. For an agency to search a house, search warrants has to be obtained from court. So also the person searching the house must be searched. And one of the members of the family has to be there. But most the operation is carried out ignorantly. Please, even if you want to incriminate him, follow due process to a professional. So I hope that God will help Elrufai, because will I say this one will enter like this is very serious. Now listeners, don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.